Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So forgive me, I'm a little bit sick, but I just wanted to do this voiceover for you guys. It's just going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show a before and after of one of my clients. We just did a partial foil, highlight and low light. And I just wanted to talk about the different ways that you could do a partial foil. Now, I know some people just do the mohawk, and there's just a million different ways that you can do a partial foil. I generally do mine from ear to ear and then a few in the back. So I'm curious if you're a hairstylist or if you go to your hairstylist. I'm curious how they do partial foil. So leave that in the comment section below. This is just how I do it. I'm just doing a partial foil with low lights in between. The low light formula that I did was 6NB and 4NW, just a little drop of 4NW, but mostly 6NB, and then I just touched up her highlights as well. And then you'll see in a second that I did tone her as well. I toned her with 9V and 8N. I'm also curious how you guys do your pricing. Is it all a la carte or is it packages? Let me know in the comment section what your pricing is. So generally for this type of service, I would charge $75 for the partial highlight, $10 for the extra low light color, and then $20 for the toner. So altogether that would be $105 for the color. Now the reason why I would charge extra for a toner as opposed to a low light is because of the time. So really for the low light you have to just charge for the product, in my opinion. It doesn't really take a whole lot of extra time to throw in a low light, maybe just a few minutes, because you would be adding a few extra foils than you normally would, but obviously go based on your judgment. If you're doing like a back-to-back foil and have to use a lot of product, then obviously you would charge more, but generally for a low light I just throw in a few extra, so that's why I charge $10. And then the reason why I charge $20 for a toner is because it just takes a little bit extra time. It takes longer to do a toner than it would if you weren't doing a toner, so that's kind of the reasoning behind that, because I know some people will ask why, if you're using Shades EQ or, you know, a demi-permanent color for both the low light and the toner, why I would charge extra for a toner as opposed to just a low light. So yeah, I'll just let you watch the rest of the video. Sorry again for my sick voice. But yeah, leave a comment in the comment section below what your pricing is, or your salon's pricing, or even your hairstylist pricing, and then also leave how they do a partial foil or how you would do a partial foil. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave any video requests in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video.
Striking all over the world. There's lightning striking all over the world. There's lightning striking all over the world. There's lightning striking all over the world.